Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to define your own future. Do you want to know will you successfully double major in the future, or will you successfully get a girlfriend or boyfriend in the future? And why don't you just fortune tell your future by your own? So today I'm going to demonstrate this method according to Yi-Ting, this book in Chinese tradition. And the method to fortune tell your future is called 大眼之术识卜法. This is the most accurate and difficult way in Chinese tradition to fortune tell your own future. So the tools we require are first we have a piece of paper with the question you written. Like I ask if the drought situation in Kaohsiung will be soothed in the following months. So after you're writing your own question on the piece of paper, you have the 50 topics. So the step can be mainly divided to 4 main steps. First is pick, divide, pick, and count. So there are 3 rounds we are going to go. So the first step is we shuffle, and then we pick one chopstick and put it on the table. It is our utmost guidance. And then we randomly divide this chopstick into 2 parts, and then we pick either side one chopstick and put it between your finger and ring finger. And then we start with the number of chopsticks have to divide it by 4. So we start to count 4 to 4 groups, 4 to group, 4 to groups, 4 to groups, and then there are one chopstick left, and we put it between our ring finger and middle finger. And then the left side, 4 to group, 4 to groups, 4 to groups, and 4 to groups. And then we have 3 chopsticks left, and then we put it between our middle finger and index finger. So this is our first round. And then we have to make sure in the first round, these numbers of chopsticks, they plus equal to 5 or 9. So like this, 1 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 5. So that we know our process is accurate. And then we put this chopstick aside, and then we repeat the second stage. We shuffle around, and then randomly divide the 2 parts, and then we pick either side one chopstick, put it between finger and ring finger, and then start to count from the right side. 4 to group, 4 to groups, 4 to groups. So 4 basically symbolize the 4th season in Chinese tradition. And there are 2 chopsticks left, put it between ring finger and middle finger. And left side, 4 to groups, 4 to groups, 4 to groups, and 1 chopstick left between the middle finger and index finger. So in the second round, we have to make sure the number of total chopsticks are equal to 4 or 8. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we are accurate about the process. And then we put it aside. And then the final round, we repeat the second step. Randomly divide it to 2 parts, and then pick 1 chopstick between your finger and ring finger. And 4 to groups, 4 to groups, 4 to groups, 4 to groups. So 4. The rest of 4 we have to the same put between the ring finger and middle finger. And left side, 4 to groups, 4 to groups, 4 to groups, and there are 3 chopsticks, put it between middle finger and index finger. So in the third round, basically it's the same equal to the second round. You have to make sure this amount of chopsticks are equal to 4 or 8. So let's count. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equal 8. So that means we are accurate about the process. And now we have to count how many groups of chopsticks we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. We have 9 groups of chopsticks. So we have the first combination of a number. And now you can see there. So basically it's the opposite of number. So basically 6 and 8, it means in Chinese it can combine, can relate it to moon or lunar, and 7 and 9 means yang, can relate it to sun. So if you got 6 and 8, it will look like this. This is separate form. If you got 7 and 9, it will look like this. So assume that I have this combination of numbers. So this is the first time you got 3 rounds and you get a number. So you record your first number and to correspond to this form. So I got 9. So this 9 will be this one. And then you record your form from the below to above. So after you repeat these 3 rounds and for 6 times, you will get a complete gua code. And this one, after every round will get a yao, and then after repeat 6 times you will get a gua. So then you got your complete gua, and then you can fortune tell your future. That's my demonstration speech. Thank you.